What is identified as a reason for an object to be considered moving, even if it appears fixed? A. Air currents around the object. B. The Earth's movement around the Sun. C. The object's atomic structure. D. The object's internal vibrations. The correct answer is B. The Earth's movement around the Sun. What is a primary function of forests regarding carbon? A. They act as carbon sinks. B. They have no interaction with carbon. C. They convert carbon to oxygen. D. They release carbon into the atmosphere. The correct answer is A. They act as carbon sinks. What are animals called that do not possess a notochord? A. Vertebrates. B. Invertebrates or non-chordates. C. Mammals. D. Chordates. The correct answer is B. Invertebrates or non-chordates. What type of cyclone commonly occurs over the North Atlantic Ocean and Northwest Europe? A. Temperate cyclone. B. Polar cyclone. C. Local wind. D. Tropical cyclone. The correct answer is A. Temperate cyclone. How did the US government support industrial growth in the 19th century? A. By imposing high taxes on large companies. B. By providing land for railroad construction. C. By restricting railroad construction. D. By encouraging foreign competition. The correct answer is B. By providing land for railroad construction. In ancient Tamil literature, what is Jainism referred to as? A. Buddhism. B. Hinduism. C. Sikhism. D. Samanam. The correct answer is D. Samanam. Besides location and boundaries, what other aspects of Asia and Europe will be discussed? A. Physical and political divisions. B. Population and economy. C. History and culture. D. Languages and religions. The correct answer is A. Physical and political divisions. Which statement is true about the Mariana Trench based on the provided text? A. It is the widest trench in the world. B. It is the shallowest trench in the world. C. It is the deepest trench in the world. D. It is located in the Arctic Ocean. The correct answer is C. It is the deepest trench in the world. What is a row in the context of a worksheet? A. A vertical line of boxes. B. A diagonal line of boxes. C. A single box. D. A horizontal line of boxes. The correct answer is D. A horizontal line of boxes. What percentage of the male population in Tamil Nadu was involved in agriculture in 2011? A. 55%. B. 65%. C. 45%. D. 35.3%. The correct answer is D. 35.3%. What is the approximate length of the large intestine in meters? A. 1.0 meters. B. 2.0 meters. C. 0.5 meters. D. 1.5 meters. The correct answer is D. 1.5 meters. When measuring a curved line, what is used to trace the curve before measuring its length? A. A caliper. B. A measuring tape. C. A string. D. A ruler. The correct answer is C. A string. How many units are commonly used to measure temperature? A. 4. B. 3. C. 1. D. 2. The correct answer is B. 3. What type of administrative system does India have for its union, states, and union territories? A. Confederate system. B. Unitary system. C. Separate system. D. Monarchy system. The correct answer is C. Separate system. What is the primary role of muscle fibers in the body? A. Protection. B. Conduction of nerve impulses. C. Contraction and relaxation for movement. D. Excretion. The correct answer is C. Contraction and relaxation for movement. Who were the primary competitors in the nuclear weapons race? A. China and Japan. B. Britain and France. C. United States and Soviet Union. D. Germany and Italy. The correct answer is C. United States and Soviet Union. Which type of ion can hydrogen form by gaining one electron? A. Hydronium ion. B. Proton. C. Hydride ion. D. Hydroxide ion. The correct answer is C. Hydride ion. Which cow breed is known for its high milk production and originates from the Netherlands? A. Holstein Friesian. B. Sahiwal. C. Brown Swiss. D. Jersey. The correct answer is A. Holstein Friesian. Which type of activity generates the wastewater that is a leading polluter? A. Recreational activities only. B. Domestic and industrial activities. C. Natural spring outflows. D. Agricultural irrigation only. The correct answer is B. Domestic and industrial activities. How many centers of the 1857 revolt are listed for mapping? A. 6. B. 5. C. 8. D. 7. The correct answer is D. 7. In which year did the fascists under Mussolini participate in significant elections? A. 1918. Born in 1920. Circa 1924. D. 1928. The correct answer is circa 1924. What is the subphylum of the rabbit, Oryctolagus cuniculus? A. Lagomorpha. B. Chordata. C. Mammalia. D. Vertebrata. The correct answer is D. Vertebrata. Which mineral is South America rich in, besides iron ore, manganese, copper, and petroleum? A. Gold. B. Coal. C. Bauxite. D. Silver. The correct answer is C. Bauxite. What characteristic of a body in contact is mentioned as contributing to the production of frictional force? A. Its geometrical shape. B. Its temperature. C. Its color. D. Its electrical charge. The correct answer is A. Its geometrical shape. How do the forelimbs of a pygmy rabbit compare to its hind limbs? A. They are shorter. B. They are more muscular. C. They are longer. D. They are the same length. The correct answer is A. They are shorter. What gas is released into the atmosphere by plants during photosynthesis? A. Nitrogen. B. Argon. C. Carbon dioxide. D. Oxygen. The correct answer is D. Oxygen. Which emperor linked the walls of the Great Wall of China during the 3rd century BC, BCE? A. Akbar. B. Ashoka. C. Chandragupta Maurya. D. Qin Shi Huang. The correct answer is D. Qin Shi Huang. A substance boiling at 80 oC instead of 100 oC indicates a change in what environmental factor? A. Temperature. B. Gravity. C. Humidity. D. Atmospheric pressure. The correct answer is D. Atmospheric pressure. What awareness should exist in the market regarding products? A. Awareness of production costs. B. Awareness of supply chain issues. C. Awareness of competitor strategies. D. Awareness of the demand for products. The correct answer is D. Awareness of the demand for products. What common nickname is given to mitochondria due to their ATP production? A. Cellular factories. B. Waste disposal units. C. Genetic control centers. D. Powerhouses of the cell. The correct answer is D. Powerhouses of the cell. How did you score?